The festival director and Azim Qureshi have worked hard to build an exhibition and workshop program that we hope will encourage community engagement, economic activity and lasting love of the photographic process.
The response shows that the next festival has to be bigger and better with a lot more to offer. Bringing attention to this region will not only improve tourism and art but also beneficial for their businesses.
It just goes to show that this region can compete worldwide wherever you look. So I'm really impressed about that. I now officially announce this gallery open.
A big thank you to Southern Flinders Rangers for the festival, for organizing such wonderful competition and exhibitions.
The quality of the entries was outstanding and I'm very happy to have two of my photos hanging on the wall in the exhibition.
Thank you Southern Flinders Rangers Photo Festival for creating this amazing photo festival.
Un petit coucou de France pour vous remercier les juges et les organisateurs pour ce fabuleux concours et pour m'avoir sélectionné une de mes photos. Je vous remercie vraiment du fond du cœur.
I'm so happy with the results and also a little bit surprised as well because I think that the quality of the competition entry is really high, to be honest.
And it's an honor for me to be a chosen winner, and I congratulate to all the others who have won this award.
Something I've never done before, and the processing of it, I've really learned a lot.
It's been well organised, it's been a great weekend, met lots of different people.
We've got a bunch of different people from all over the place with different experience in terms of photography. The organisation was fantastic. You really, as a participant, didn't have to worry about it. Everything was taken care of, made sure that all the amenities were there, so it was just a great ability to come along and participate and have a great time.
Everyone's been so caring and free with their time, free with their education.
You know, I don't get these opportunities many times, so it's been pretty cool.
What's been great about it is we're in a landscape that is super precious to me. It's where I started my light painting and my photography journey. So to come up here with 20 people and be able to share that experience with them has been super special for me inside. And it's been our pleasure to be part of the Southern Flinders Rangers Photo Festival. We've got people with all different skills here, and it's been great to see those who know a lot more than the others just share the knowledge with them.
We decided to initiate Southern Flinders Rangers Photo Festival, first of its kind, allowing the world to see the beauty this region has to offer. What you see around you are best 50 photographs that were selected from a pool of around 1100 entries from 45 countries. This is the beginning of festival. Our master classes were sold a month early, and all the workshop received an overwhelming response. It is a win-win for all of us. Thank you for taking our time to appreciate our hard work.